Beneath the cold hum of the factory, something ancient awakens. Steam drifts between steel ribs. A crane moans as it lifts another armor plate into the light. You hear it before you see it, the deep breath of metal, the echo of creation. This is not just a machine being born. It's the beginning of a fortress that will move, breathe, and remember. In the heart of America's desert, under the hands of men and women who speak through sparks and sweat, the beast takes shape slow, patient, unstoppable. The beast does not roar, it awakens.
Beneath the cold hum of the factory,
the first strike is never clean.
Ancient
it shakes the earth, rings through the ribs of every worker in the forge. Steel blooms like fire, molten, breathing, alive. Every plate that will one day stop a shell begins here, as a red river pouring into sand molds, glowing brighter than the Sunday hands guide it. Sparks scatter against their sleeves. Hours turn to days. Hammers fall, again and again, until each surface becomes armor layered, hardened, human. A soldier will one day hide behind this wall. A family will one day live because of this weight. And still, the forge sings, echoing its vow in flame and sweat. Born from fire, shaped by hands. Deep within the frame of armor, space waits for a heart. Engineers lower a gas turbine. The Honeywell AGT-1, 500, 1,500 horses trapped in a single breath. Bolts tighten like arteries, sealing shut. Wires snake through its skin. A spark clicks, and for a moment, silence holds its breath. Then it happens. The turbine ignites. The factory walls tremble. Air rushes out like thunder through a narrow throat. The machine screams, not in anger, but in life. Every gauge flickers green. Oil flows. Vibration becomes rhythm. Outside, no one speaks. They simply listen, because this is the sound of purpose. The sound of something that was once metal, becoming alive. Its heart does not beat. It ignites. Now the fortress must learn to see. Rows of circuits glow under sterile light. Microchips align with surgical precision. Technicians move in silence, soldering the veins of awareness into place. The turret comes alive with cameras, radar, and laser guidance. Screens flicker, reflecting green ghosts across the operator's eyes. When he moves his head, the HUD follows machine and man connected by invisible thread. Outside, the desert waits, silent. But inside this shell, the beast opens its eyes for the first time. It doesn't just see the world, it calculates, measures, remembers. Now, the fortress can see. Out in the proving grounds, the wind smells of oil and dust. The tank rolls forward slow, heavy, deliberate. Its treads crush gravel into powder. Every turn of the wheel hums like a war drum. Ready. The word cuts through the radio. The gunner steadies the barrel. The loader slides the round 120 millimeters of pure violence into the chamber. For a heartbeat, silence. Then light erupts. The shell tears through air, the recoil shakes the desert. Smoke curls like ghostly ribbons through the sunlight. Engineers in distant bunkers record data, but none of them breathe. They're hearing not destruction, but perfection. Fire tests the metal. Silence tests the men. The Abrams moves across the desert like an animal born of thunder. Sand lashes against its hull. Its treads carve tracks that vanish behind heat and dust. Inside, the crew speaks. In short words. Numbers, angles, targets. Sweat slides down a soldier's cheek, caught by the tremor of the engine below him. Each one trusts the other completely. Each one becomes part of the machine. In battle, it is not the steel that decides who survives. It is the will to move, to see, to breathe again. As dusk falls, the tank returns to base. Its armor glows faintly, dust baked into every seam. The radio crackles. She's still breathing. A machine built for war learns to survive. Closing.
Tango 1, move in. Copy that, over.
The factory is silent again. The lights dim.
Survival
The air
is not
hums
victory.
low. In the corner,
It's
a single
continuation.
Abrams rests beneath a canvas shroud. You can still hear the faint click of metal cooling, the whisper of heat fading into memory. A man walks past, glove brushing the armor gently.
machine built
His
for
reflection
war
warps across the
learns to
steel
survive.
curve, small, human, fleeting. Outside, the world moves on, but within these walls, power never sleeps. The machine will wait until the next dawn, the next command, the next reason to awaken. Steel remembers, men fade, the roar remains.
Steel remembers. Men fade. The roar remains.